A sprinkle of this powder, and ants vanish in seconds. Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen, and there it is again. That relentless trail of ants. Tiny, determined, unstoppable. They march in single file, climbing your walls, crossing your counter, heading straight for the smallest crumb or drop of juice you didn't even notice. You wipe them away, spray them, clean the surface, but a few hours later, they're back. It feels endless, like an invasion you just can't win. And the worst part? Harsh chemical sprays aren't exactly something you want near your kids, pets, or food. But what if the solution was hiding in plain sight, right inside your kitchen cabinet? What if you could stop that entire ant army with something so simple it almost feels like magic? A single white line that halts them instantly in their tracks? No toxins, no traps, no fancy products. Just a household staple you already own. Here's the secret. Regular table salt. That's right. The same salt you sprinkle on your food can actually repel ants. When ants come into contact with salt, it dries out their exoskeleton, disrupts their sensitive antennae, and scrambles the scent trails they use to communicate. The result? Confusion, hesitation, and a complete retreat. You don't need to coat your whole floor in it. Just a thin, strategic line in the right spot is enough to block their path. Think about it. You can create invisible shields around your home. A line along a windowsill, across the baseboard, or near that tiny crack they keep crawling out of. You can even draw a salt circle around pet food bowls, compost bins, or potted plants to create a no-go zone ants simply won't cross. The best part? It's safe, natural, eco-friendly, and costs you literally nothing extra. Now, there are a few tricks to make this work properly. Don't dump piles of salt. A fine, consistent line is all it takes. Cover every potential entry point, because ants will always try to find another route. And remember, salt doesn't last forever. Moisture will break it down, so refresh your lines every couple of days, especially in humid weather. If you want a less noticeable option, try baking soda. It works the same way and blends in better on light surfaces. Some people even mix it with sugar to create a double-action trap, drawing ants in, then disrupting them once they take the bait. The beauty of this method is that it doesn't just repel ants, it does so naturally, safely, and discreetly. No toxic sprays, no harsh smells, no expensive gadgets. Just a sprinkle of salt, a kitchen staple turned into a powerful, budget-friendly ant repellent. So the next time you spot that stubborn ant trail marching across your counter, don't reach for chemicals. Reach for the salt shaker, because sometimes the simplest tricks are the most effective. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 ways to get rid of dust mites quickly. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.